How to use Cash App for Roblox. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'll demonstrate how to use Cash App for Roblox. It's a simple process, so follow along. I'll explain the various methods to utilize your Cash App account and balance for purchasing the Robux and premium subscriptions on Roblox. To begin, visit the Roblox website on your computer or your phone. Open a web browser or the latest Roblox app version. It is recommended to use the Roblox website. Upon reaching the site, click on the Robux icon at the top right corner and select Buy Robux from the drop-down menu. You can explore different Robux packages, including premium, and I'll now show you how to use a Cash App for purchasing Robux packages. Preferably, use a credit or debit card linked to the Cash App for the payment. Choose the debit card, input the card details, email, and the country. Then select Pay. This is the quickest method. If you lack a Cash App card, you can use a PayPal, but it involves transferring money from the Cash App to the bank account and then to PayPal. Another option is to buy physical Roblox gift cards from the store, accepting the Cash App. You can redeem these cards for the Robux or the subscriptions. Even without a card, payment can be made using a QR code or the cash tag. So this was all about how to use Cash App for the Roblox. If you found this guide to be helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. And don't forget to hit that bell icon to stay updated with our latest contents. Thank you for your viewership and support.